It's a garden that's maintained by the horticulture department, so everything in it is essentially funded through the horticulture department. Any ongoing maintenance is funded through the horticulture department as well. A woman who had been employed at the university and had passed away, and her family wanted to make kind of a legacy donation to the display and trial garden. This happened to coincide with putting in this native pollinator garden for bees. I spoke with the family about it, and they were really enthusiastic about the possibility, and so they made a monetary donation, and we were able to use that to buy the plants for the project and pay for the labor and eventually pay for some kind of a decorative rock that would be in remembrance of her.
I originally got involved with this project when I approached Madeline about putting some native nests for bees into the garden. So bee pollinators are an extremely important natural resource. They're for our environment. They participate in pollination, and honeybees also provide us a lot of hive products that are also important. Educating people about their importance and the ways that they live is kind of a priority for us at the Bee Lab. So looking at this native bee nest, I thought it would be really great here in the demonstration garden because it would be an opportunity for people to observe bees nesting and foraging kind of in their more natural state, because honeybees live in giant colonies, but solitary bees that would nest in these types of things are kind of unknown. They're widely unknown by most people. We have about 350 to 400 species in Minnesota, and getting the word out about them is extremely important. And so as this project kind of fruited into what it's become with all these plants and the donation and everything, we've kind of expanded into a planting of many different native plants. Native plants are really great for the wild bees, the native pollinators. They've been evolving with these types of plants for many generations, and so they often have these special relationships with these plants, and they seek them out preferentially compared to other ornamental plants maybe. So having this planting here is great because it'll give people an opportunity to see the types of plants that they can plant. It provides foraging resources for the bees local to the university, so we're providing outreach, we're providing resources to conserve the bees that are near campus now, and it's also going to beautify campus. These will be large, beautiful plants when they reach maturity, and they'll come back every year. So it's a great resource for us here on campus to be able to do outreach for bees and to kind of spread the word on their importance.